Dear traders, this is Albert with Trading Diary, and this is the video review of the 10th week of 2025, or the first week of March 2025. It's been super quiet, so I got into a couple of trades, but then I stopped out as they were not my setup, in fact. So as I said, I'm concentrating on one setup at the moment, and as I got in, I knew it was not my setup, but it was moving. And then sometimes I took a loss, sometimes I got stopped out break even, and I stopped out of 2 for small winner. They were not my setup, so I did get out. So let's go over my positions at the moment. I'm holding XBEF and VRNA, which are two super old positions from a couple of weeks ago. And SKBL, which pulled back on Friday. I didn't get out. I should, but I didn't. So let's have a look on the markets here first. The S&P has been pulling back over the last couple of weeks here. 9 EMA, 20 EMA, and 50 EMA are downwards pointing. And we can see that here it hit the 200 EMA on Friday, and it bounced off the 200 EMA. So let's see where it goes from here on. I thought that I would not get into any new trades as long as the 9 and the 20 EMA are pointing downwards. The gradient is negative, so let's see. Although if there is any super strong stock, I would get in, I guess. So that's not a really hard rule, but it is a rule. But I thought, okay, let's see what the market is going to do here. So I would be expecting some kind of sideways consolidation, as we had a massive run for over the last 2 years. So let's see. I think some rest would be good here. So I will slow down and I will learn and study instead. So this is SKBL, the position I got in like 1.5 weeks ago. And we can see that on Friday it pulled back massively. I should have got out here, but I didn't because I was not in front of my computer on Friday. So next time, lesson learned, next time I will put in the stops, and at least I will get stopped out for a small winner. I guess the same thing happened for VRNA. So VRNA, so it closed below the 9 EMA. I should have got out, but I didn't. So it pulled back quite a bit from the tops here, from 70 to 64. So let's see where it goes on Monday, and I might get out of the position in VRNA. So as I said, quite a short video here, not a lot of position open, and as I said, I would want to study a bit more, so I'm using the time to study a bit more, going over old stocks, so I'm playing them back with the on-demand tool in Thinkorswim, although it is having a couple of problems with stocks that had splits. So sometimes I'm using the on-demand tool and sometimes I'm just going back in time, although it is not as good as the on-demand tool, since I'm seeing the weekly evolving before I can see the daily. So last week I also thought about getting TC2000 as a screener, since I can program it and I can put different conditions into the screener, and then it will screen the market for my conditions. So I think this would be quite nice, just in regards with the moving averages, the volume. It would be, I guess, more dynamic than the Finviz and more custom tailored kind of. Anyways, I'm still thinking about, because it's, I think, $25 per month, and I would need real time data, which is another $15, I guess. So yeah, I'm not quite sure yet, but let's see. QualMarket is using TC2000 and stock B2, so I think it might be worthwhile, the investment. And I've been going over stocks, so going back in time, studying the breakouts, looking for VCP patterns, recognizing VCP patterns. And so I was looking on Tesla, and then I take screenshots and I copy them out of the actual Thinkorswim platform, and I create a booklet kind of that I might even print out. So just in order to be able to go over the setups and have a quick look and practice pattern recognition. That's the review of last week. Next week, I guess, would be the same kind of week. So more studying, less trading, but cash is a position, and I'm just waiting for the market to get better and then to get in the strongest stocks. This is also now a time where the strongest stocks set up, and then as the market, just right before the market is going to turn around, the strongest stocks are already on the move on the long side. So just trying to find those strong stocks, filtering them out, trying to find the VCP patterns, and trying to get in. So that's been my week, and I'm looking forward to next week. I wish you all a very successful trading week. This is Albert Trading Diary. I'm signing off. Take care. See you soon, and goodbye.